Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I wanted to introduce to a useful portal which is developed by Ministry of Labor and Employment. It's called Samadhan Portal. So you can come to Google and search for Samadhan Portal. So after coming here, you can enter this website. So this website will help you sort your grievance in various departments. For example, if you have been illegally terminated or dismissed from your job, if there is a delay in your payments, if there is unauthorized deductions, whether it is charter of demand, general complaint, whether it is claims under applicable labor laws, non-payment of maternity benefits, minimum wages, overtime allowances, tunnel height allowances, hill station winter allowances, gratuity bonus, other legal dues, all those things can be addressed through this portal. It's called samadhan.labor.gov.in. So this helps with the resolution of industrial disputes, claims, general complaints. So the platform is for workers, trade union, employers and other stakeholders for consultation and hearing of issues of labor under the applicable laws such as the Industrial Dispute Act, the Payment of Wages Act, the Minimum Wages Act, the Payment of Gratuity Act, the Maternity Benefit Act, the Equal Remuneration Act. All those things you can get it sorted through this website. So these are all success stories where people were denied various benefits and payments. So through this portal, they have raised a complaint, and after that, their problems were solved. So this is the success stories and achievements. So you can come here and click on register for new users and sign up. So you have to put in your name, email ID, mobile number. You can register as an individual, union or management. Then you can put in your verification code. So after logging in, you can file the complaint. So if you click on here, there is this department login. Then there is Digital Seva Connect. There is Act and Rules. So if you look at FAQs, here most of your questions will be answered. So let's look at what is Samadhan Portal. Samadhan Portal is a digital initiative by Ministry of Labor and Employment to make the system transparent and more efficient, and to make the life of workmen, union, and other stakeholders smooth by giving them a single platform for raising their grievance in the form of industrial dispute, charter of demand, and all those things. So can problems like illegal termination, non-payment of maternity benefit, all those be addressed here? Yes. So what kind of complaints can be logged on Samadhan Portal, and who can raise a dispute and file a claim? So if there is issues like less payment, non-payment of overtime, non-payment of allowance like working at height, working in tunnel, then who can raise the complaint? Worker can raise a complaint, group of worker can raise union, inspector, legal representative. So as per applicable act, that is Minimum Wages Act. So in this way, there are a lot of other sections, that is issues based on which you can raise a complaint. So is email ID necessary to raise a complaint? No, email is not mandatory. However, it is suggested that one should update their email ID. Is there any charge for lodging a complaint? No, there is no charge. Can a worker lodge complaint Samadhan Portal through CSC, Common Service Center? Yes, by visiting Common Service Center also they can do it. The CSC value will charge ₹30 per application as service charge from the workman. So is it a mandatory for workman union to register? No. It is advisory for union workers to file complaint through Samadhan Portal. However, it is mandatory in the part of dealing officers of Labour Commission officers to register all such disputes. What happened if there is no settlement? So if the industrial dispute is not settled, FOC report in respect of industrial dispute filed under Section 2A will be forwarded by the consultation officer to Deputy CLC, and the dispute may be further referred to CGIT Labour Court for adjudication. So what if dispute is referred to CGIT Labour? Labour Court gives opportunity to the parties in the matter to be heard, and then passes award which is enforceable to both the parties. So what if the employer not implements the award? The matter may be brought to notice of Deputy CLC of the concerned region. So what if the party is aggrieved to the decision? He may ask legal remedies. So can worker and other stakeholders lodge complaint through mobile app? Yes, they can use the app and lodge the complaint. Whether WhatsApp is integrated? No. What should I file complaint on? Users can visit this portal and sign up, login into the portal. So how to change update mobile number? Mobile number cannot be updated once it's registered. So what if the employer disagrees to pay the minimum wages? If the authority passes RLC, passes order in favor of applicant, and the employer doesn't make the payment complying the order of authority, the applicant may bring the matter in knowledge of RLC for the recovery of the same. What if any party feels aggrieved with the decision of the authority come RLC under the Minimum Wages Act? If aggrieved the decision of the authority come RLC under the Minimum Wages Act, Payment of Wages Act, then the aggrieved party may or move to court. Can any party request to review the order? Yes, only in case of ex parte order and within the period of 30 days. So how can someone raise an appeal under Payments Act, Gratuity Act? Any person aggrieved by an order under the Payments Gratuity Act may submit an appeal in the court appeal to the concerned authority, that is Deputy CLC. So what are the documents required to raise appeal under Payment Gratuity Act? So current application of appeal under the Payment Gratuity Act is received through offline mode with following details and document: copy of order pass of controlling authority, memo of appeal, ground of appeal. So you can utilize this portal. I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.